Hey everybody, welcome to Jason Explains Things. My buddy Chris and I are here to bring you another awesome Chevy Colorado video.
So I know usually with this truck, we're either off-roading or we're cutting and slashing and adding things.
Drilling holes.
But not today. Because in order to do those fun things, the off-roady bits, you have to maintain your truck.
Maintenance. That's right, Chris. Maintenance can be fun too. So you guys, you're gonna learn everything you're gonna need to know about changing the oil on your Colorado. We're gonna check and or replace our air filter and cabin filter, check other fluids like your brake fluid and coolant, recommended fuel additives, and resetting your oil life reminder system. We're also gonna be highlighting a brand new oil from Havoline that's gonna be a great option for these trucks for a variety of reasons, but more on that later. Let's get started.
Yeah.
Woo!
For the oil change, you'll need 6 quarts of 5W30 synthetic oil that meets Dexos 1 specifications, a genuine GM oil filter, and an oil drain plug gasket. For tools, you'll need a 3/8" ratchet, 3/8" ratchet extensions, 3/8 torque wrench, a 15mm and 24mm socket, a pick, rags, oil funnel, drain pan, gloves, and eye protection. Links to all this stuff in the description below.
To make this oil change go a lot faster, you're gonna wanna run your engine for about 5 minutes so that the oil is nice and warm.
It's a great idea.
So you do that. Wow, remote start. Ooh.
We're gonna take off the drain plug now. Cool thing about the ZR2 is it's up high enough that we don't have to lift it, which is pretty cool. And the Bison's skid plates are not in the way. We don't have to take them off, Jason. Sorry.
Oh,
Yep.
I love doing that.
Interesting thing about the drain plug on the Colorado is it does come off to the side, and apparently when you open it up, it shoots out with a decently good force. So we're not gonna take the oil filler cap off right now because we don't wanna give it any extra air to breathe for more force.
Chris got the drain plug out, and we got the oil filler cap and the dipstick out, so everything can drain out nicely. So you are going to need a 24mm socket and probably 2 long extensions and your ratchet to get out the oil filter cap, which is buried way down right there. Also, probably a step stool because I'm not quite tall enough. Oh man, I think the people that did your last oil change like over torqued everything. Reach my hand down into the crevice here. Ugh. Woohoo! Filter right there. And we're also going to replace this O-ring. Okay, so grab your pick tool and use that to remove the old O-ring. And then you want to make sure this is all clean, including all of the threads and inside.
Okay, now we're gonna put the new O-ring on and we're gonna lube it up.
Oil is still draining, but we can go ahead and put our filter back in. So you're gonna wanna use a torque wrench and torque it down to 22 foot-pounds and not a pound more.
All right, so we're done draining. We gotta put this guy back on, but not quite yet. We have a little gasket here that we want to change before we put it back on.
It's on. It's torqued. We did it. I'm proud of us.
I am too. So Chris, let's have a brief conversation about oil.
All right, so my Chevy Colorado has the 3.6 liter gas direct injection V6, which requires a 5W30 full synthetic oil that's certified to meet Dexos 1 specifications.
So today we're gonna be highlighting Havoline's Pro-RS full synthetic oil that is likely the best choice for the Chevy Colorado for a variety of reasons. For starters, Chris, it comes in this convenient 6-quart size, which matches the oil capacity of your truck perfectly, so you only need to buy one of these and no other small bottles when you change your oil. The packaging is a combination of cardboard and plastic, which uses 70% less plastic, Chris, than normal, which really minimizes what we throw into a landfill, which I think is really cool. Havoline Pro-RS full synthetic oil is a top-tier performance oil designed for modern engines, whether they be turbocharged, direct injection, or both. The other crazy thing about this oil, Chris, is that it's made up of 25% USDA certified plant-based oils.
Is this video sponsored?
Yep.
Have you ever had a sponsored video on your YouTube channel before?
Nope, first time ever.
Do they know how dorky this channel is?
Over and out. Yes, and for some reason, they still like it. So don't ruin this for us.
Okay, got it.
One of the benefits of being partially plant-based, unlike other full synthetic oil, is that Havoline Pro-RS resists thickening over time, which will maximize your engine's performance and fuel economy. I'm gonna leave links in the description below so you can read from Havoline's engineers so you can get all the information you might want about this new oil. And also, if you have comments for me or questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them or pass them along to the Havoline guys. And please let me know in the comments if you are interested in trying this new oil. Should we just finish it?
Sounds good to me.
Okay. Hey, where's this cool hat come from?
They're pretty nice.
Awesome. All right, guys, we're gonna pour about 5.5 quarts of the oil into the engine, and then we're gonna run it for a second and check our levels, and then we'll top it off after that. So this is pretty cool. There's a little window here to check your level. We're still above 2 quarts, so we gotta keep going. Let's check right there. After pouring in the rest of the oil, we are exactly where the owner's manual says we need to be, which is halfway in between the hashed area right here. So we are done with the oil change. Also, I had to use every last little drop though of the oil, and it's amazing. It's kind of cool. There's there's just a plastic bag and the rest of the box you can just recycle. So very cool.
Hey guys, we're not done yet. Now we're gonna go through, check all our other fluid levels in the engine bay. We're gonna check and replace, if necessary, our air filter inside here and the cabin air filter in the cabin.
The Colorado's coolant and brake fluid were full and clean, so we moved on to checking the filters.
How is it?
It's pretty clean.
Probably next time.
Should have brought it. Yeah, next time.
Hey Chris, what's this?
That's a snorkel. We put that on once. You should check it out.
Yeah.
We are done in here. Onto the cabin air filter. So in this truck, the cabin air filter is behind the glove box. We have to take it all the way out. Not as hard as it sounds. On the bottom, you have a couple of hinges down here. We'll get some close-ups of them. They have some plastic pins. Pop those guys out, drops right out.
Oh.
Did that so smoothly. Oh yeah.
Oh,
She's due.
she's due for nice. Gross.
So we want to make sure we have the airflow down in that orientation.
Sounds good.
Okay. And we're back in. And finally, we are going to reset our oil life reminder system.
Sweet.
And apparently, we're due. So using your steering wheel controls, we're gonna dismiss that. We're gonna go over. We're going to look at our oil life, and you hit the little check mark to reset. We did it.
That was really, really hard.
So hard. It's the hardest thing we've done all night. And now we're done.
Hey-oh.
Thanks for joining.
Oh, wow. All right, guys, our routine Colorado maintenance is all done. Chris, one last thing for you. Try Techron Complete Fuel System Cleaner after every oil change. This will help keep your fuel system clean. Please check out more from Jason Explains Things. Subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button. We've got a whole playlist of videos about the Colorado and some pretty awesome Toyotas, dare I say, on the Overland DIY playlist. And until next time, God bless, and don't forget to do yourself. Techron and Havoline. Yeah.